Ancient Nile Valley African civilizations called this plant the plant of immortality. Ancient Native Americans called this plant the wand of heaven. Today it's known worldwide to promote healthy skin and hair. It has far too many benefits to list in a 2-minute news story. I've given it the nickname Nature's Dentist. This is because it aids in the prevention and treatment of conditions, disorders, and diseases of the oral cavity. It helps to accelerate the healing of sores, blisters, and abscesses. It's also a very effective painkiller. Aloe vera is truly a gift from nature. I'm your natural mystic medicine man reporting for Natural Medicine News. Peace and guidance.